today we were tackling new struts because actually my OEM struts failed, so I need new struts. And I picked up these Sensen, however you say it. They're kind of like Monroe equivalents, and we're gonna try to throw these on to give my springs a smoother ride and better compression rates and everything, because with the OEM ones failing, I'm gonna have to replace them. So figured I'll start with these and see how they are, because they were a lot cheaper than spending like $900 on a Coney or anything like that. So yeah, we got the Sensen rears, the fronts, got new bump stops. Matt's gonna help me put it on. We're here in the garage. Just got the car in here and we're gonna get jacked up and start working on it.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So we got the driver's side assembly out, now onto the passenger side. So we broke loose the second bolt here. Gonna get the second strut off. Here you can see a comparison of the new one and the original old one. They're about the same. That'll be the spring going on there. Got the 17. So we just got the springs off the stock struts and compressed them and put them on the new struts, and we're just fitting them now. And this is just the front here. There we go.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty
Right there.
in the sky, also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking it, and how they do. They're really saying, I love you. What a wonderful world.
One side down, one to go. All right, so both struts are on. Gonna put the wheels on both sides and see how it looks. So we got it lowered down on the blocks without spacers because I'll be putting my other wheels on, so that's how it looks on the block. So the install is done. Gonna back it out and hit the road. It's actually Easter Sunday today, but I got my wheels on this weekend after I moved. So I moved and that was a little bit of a process, but I got it done. Got the wheels on the car. They look awesome, and I'm doing a photo shoot soon. I still need to get my OptionLab wheels decals on as part of the sponsorship, but I want to show you how the car looks with the new wheels on. They are ceramic coated. I actually didn't get to do tire shine because of moving. I kind of ran out of time. They're on the car now and they look awesome. It's actually kind of cloudy and starting to rain here, so hopefully I can show it to you before it downpours. As you can see, the ABS light is on because I broke one of the sensors on the wheels, so that will need fix. TPMS is not programmed yet in these wheels, but I did get the sensors, so that should work soon and all these lights should go away. wheels now. New wheels look awesome, ride awesome. I love everything about them. I do need an OptionLab decal right here to represent, and that'll be coming soon. Keep an eye out on my Instagram at Marty Media. I had black wheels before, but I really like this noble gray OptionLab R716 style. Just really pops and looks a little more like expensive and like a luxury car should, just that design. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to show. The next step will be to do a photo shoot. I'll probably meet up with some other guys I know in the area that have OptionLab wheels, and that will be coming soon. One thing that's kind of cool that I learned how to do recently is downshift. Rev match on my own while downshifting, so I can hit second, gas, and boom, now I'm rev matched before the car actually does it itself. So this car, by nature, I guess with the transmission, if I downshift, it'll kind of rev match, I guess, is what it does. It, you know, it maintains speed and goes to a lower gear and higher rev. So if I put it back to third here, but I can also do it myself. So if I'm in third, second and gas, I'll kind of rev match here. See what I did there? I just blipped the throttle, went from third to second, and now I pretty much rev match myself. And that's something you do in manual cars, but it's kind of cool that you can do it with this automatic. So I'll be in third. Oh, I want to slow down. Second. Boom. There we are. And all I'm doing is blipping the throttle. Let's try it. So if we're going fourth, down to third. I wasn't really going fast enough there. So third to second seems to work the best. And it's really easy to screw up too. So if you blip it too late, too soon, it just like jerks the car, and it's probably bad for the drive shaft.